Hi, hello. I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we can see water quality monitoring system using Arduino Uno. Here we can see LCD display. This is the 16x2 LCD display which is I2C compatible. Here we can see there are 2 rows and 16 columns. This is the Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the AVR based microcontroller, and here we are using ESP8266. Arduino is the master and ESP8266 is slave. From Arduino to ESP we are sending the data to dump in the cloud database. This is the TDS sensor. TDS means total dissolved solids in the water, which we are measuring using ppm. ppm means parts per million. Here we can see there are 2 electrodes which are equally separated. Using this electrode we can check whether the water is highly conductive or less conductive. Based on the conductivity we will decide the TDS, and we can check whether number of things are dissolved in water like iron and other things like aluminium and other oxides. And this is the pH sensor which consists of 2 electrodes. This is the pH electrode and this is the another electrode. Using this we are passing the current in 2 electrodes and we are checking the pH. This is the converter which will convert the voltage signal into analog signals. And here we can see temperature sensor. This temperature sensor used to measure the water temperature. This is the electrode which we need to dip in water. By using this we can measure the temperature and humidity in Celsius and Fahrenheit. This is the turbidity sensor. Turbidity sensor is used to measure the relative clarity of liquid. It is an optimal characteristics of soil. The turbidity is measured in terms of NTU. NTU means nephelometric turbidity unit. This is the converter which will convert the voltage signal to analog signals, which we are connecting here. All the analog sensors we are connected to the analog pins of the Arduino Uno, and temperature sensor is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino Uno. And ESP8266 is used to send the data to the Blink platform where we can visualize the data. Now we can see practically how this system will work. One by one we can see here. This is the temperature reading, this is the TDS reading, this is the turbidity reading, and this is the pH reading. First we will measure the temperature using temperature sensor and keeping in water. Now we can see temperature is 26.87 degrees Celsius. See, we can see temperature is increased. Now we will check TDS. The TDS value is 40 here, which means the water is less conductive in nature. There is less amount of matters are dissolved in this water. That's why we can see this is the TDS value is 40, 42. When the TDS value is within 50, we can say that the water is less amount of matters are dissolved in water. Now we will check the turbidity reading. Now we can see here turbidity is 44, 42. Turbidity value is decided on the based on amount of light and the clarity of water. Like this we need to dip the turbidity sensor in water to check the turbidity level. Here this water is clear, you can see. If we dip the turbidity sensor in dirty water, we can see turbidity value got increased. It is 50. You can see turbidity value got increased. Now we can check the pH value. Here it is 0. Now I am keeping the pH meter in water. Now we can see the pH value. It is around 6. means it is little bit acidic, nearer to 7. Whenever the values are below 7 and above 7, when below 7 it is taken as acidic and above 7 it is taken as base. In between 6 to 7 we can say it is normal water which is having pH 7. All these 4 data we are sending to cloud database using ESP module which consists of inbuilt Wi-Fi. Using this we are sending the data to Blink. Now we can see here, this is the Blink IoT platform where we created 4 channels. And here we can see there are 4 datas: water temperature, TDS, turbidity and pH. These are the live datas we are fetching from ESP to Blink application. Here we can see the live data. Currently the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius and TDS is 35 ppm and turbidity is 47 NTU and pH is 9. Like this we can monitor the water quality using IoT platform. Like this we can measure the all parameters of water and we can demonstrate the water quality using these 4 sensors. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.